Hello, so I have your code, and this is the code. You have a message in taking the input, and you have take the key, and you have the function to decrypt the thing. So if I run this code, it is asking me to, I will say attack, and then it needs a key. I will say 88, and it gives me some ASCII values. So numbers, which are numbers, so these numbers are ASCII values. So what I need, if you remember, if I can go here, we give you two functions. One is ordinal value, which you have already used here. The odd function, you know that this odd function takes an character. So I will take one character from the message, and it will give you the number value of it. So if you remember, also we also have another function which is called chr, so which takes the character value, which takes a number and gives the character value of it. So I have encrypted is right now coming as a number, as you saw in previously in the output that number was generated. So we can use the chr function here, and chr function will take the Unicode, take the number and give the Unicode value character of it. So yes, takes a number and gives the character of it. So we'll use that. This, see, save, and F5 gives me again, asks me for the message. I will say tag value enter, and now it's giving me the characters. I don't even need this space here, so I can go without space. Yeah. This time it didn't ask me for strange. Let's close it down. Okay, and run it again. Yes, now it's asking me. It's giving me the value. It will give you the character. So your encryption part is almost done. It's done. You can do that. Actually, it's done. The other thing you have to do is to, now you have to, just like you made a function here for encryption, you have to make another function here. Define function for, I will give you, define a function for which can take a encryption. So it will you, just like you did one function for encryption, you have to make another function here for decryption. The and then you can also, when you start, you can also ask the user whether he wants to do the encryption or he wants to do the decryption. So at the start, you can ask your user to, let's say, ask user whether he wants to do how encryption. Or if I go ahead, sample run, also enter regular message for encryption, and then for decryption you have to do this. So you can join these together, and you can say that first just ask whether you want to do encryption or decryption. If he asks for encryption, then you will say that enter a regular message for to encode, and this, and 88 will give you the value. So you saw that 88 was giving up to here only, because it was only doing the attack part. If you do attack at dawn, it will give you the same message. I can even try this. So I will increment here F5, save it. So ask for message, I will say dawn. Here it is giving you the same. Compare it. It is giving you the same message. So that part's done. So here, if the user says no, I want to decrypt, so then the other function which I'm talking about, you have to make another function, and then if the user asks for encryption, this part will be done, and if he asks for decryption, you will call the other function for decryption. And what you have to do here, instead of like you have a given value for decryption, what you have to do is you have to run for all the values. So in the decryption, you will have another for loop which will go from 1 to 100 or 1 to 99, and it will present the decryption for every value. So every key, like for 1 it is the decoded message will be something like that, and then for 2 it will be something like that, and it will keep on going until it comes back to 88, because the message was encoded or encrypted with 88, so it will decrypt with the key 88 also. It will come back as attack at dawn. So this is also a verification for you that your code is working correctly, that if you take this exactly this value or this text message and try to decode with your function, it should come out with 88 key again with the same whatever your message was. But for the only difference that you have to make another for loop which will go from 1 to 100, and then it will, for each key value, for each value it will print out the message. So hopefully this video helps you out, and if you still have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.